Dear friends, in this video, we will learn how to find out Pearson's correlation coefficient R by using calculator. We need Pearson correlation coefficient to find out what is the relationship between two variables. Do we have strong relationship or weak relationship or moderate, or there is no relationship? That we can decide by the value of R. And today I'm going to show you how to find out R by using calculator. So I have created and I have taken one simple data here between foot length in centimeter and height in centimeter, and we will try to find out the R by using this data. So what is the first thing you need to do is you can just go to mode and you can just click here. Then you can see we are going to go to number 2, which is statistics, number 2, and then out of the 8 options, very important, when you're finding out the correlation coefficient R, you're going to go to number 2, which is A plus BX. So I'm going to go to number 2. So I'll press number 2 now. So you can see my X and Y. So where there is a X, I'm going to put down my foot length data, my height, which I'm going to put down at Y. In case if your frequency is on, there may be a third column here of frequency, but then you don't need to worry about it. It will automatically come as 111. Yeah, so I'll feed my all values of X first. 24.5. Then I can press equal to sign, so that will fit 25.6. 26.1. 25.9, 26.2, 27, 27.4, 27.5, 28.1. So I feed my all X values now. Very important, you just put on all the values correctly so that there is a correct answer. Now I'll put on all Y values. For that I will feed the values of height, which is 167 equal to 168, 170, 174, 176, 180, 181, 185, 187. Now I put on my all values of foot length as X and height as Y. Once you feed all the values, what the next button you're going to press is SE button, which is all clear, so I'm going to press it now. Then I will press Shift and 1. So here you can see in the yellow one, state is written. So for that I go to press Shift and 1. So I'll press Shift now, and now I'll press 1. So you can see all these 6 options here, but this time I want to get my correlation coefficient R, which will come in number 5. So I can see REG, which is regression. So I'm going to go to number 5. So I'll press number 5. In number 5, I got all different options, but I'm after number 3, which is correlation coefficient. So R, this is what I want to find out. So I'll be pressing 3 now, and equal to. So my correlation coefficient is 0.9478183.177. So now you have learned how to find out the correlation coefficient by using a calculator.